The first thing you need to do is cut 2 20-inch straps of your choice. Then you're going to ask me to actually burn the edges. This one has been melted and this one has not, so you can see the difference. This one's fraying and this one won't, since we just melted it, basically, since it's nylon. Okay, so once you have 2 straps, then we're gonna set them up on your bag. So the first thing you need to do, this one actually already has the strap sewn on, but the first thing you need to do is measure the width of your bag all the way across. You wanna use a yardstick for this, otherwise a ruler isn't large enough. So place the 0 mark on your side seam, so the straight line of stitching, and then you're gonna measure over to the other edge of your bag. So when I measured this out, try to be as accurate as possible or precise in your measurement. I got 14 inches all the way across the width of my bag. Whatever this number is, whether it's 14 and a half, 14 and 1/8, 14 and 3/16, whatever that measurement is, you need to cut it in half. So once you cut that in half, you're gonna either take a marking tool, such as chalk, make a line, or place a pin where that center is. So half of 14 is 7. So I measured 7 inches and placed a pin. Now what you're gonna do is measure from that center mark. You're gonna measure 3 inches to the right and 3 inches to the left. Or actually, yeah, 3 inches to the left. And then where those 3-inch markings are, you can actually place a pin that will mark where the inside of your strap is going to go. Or you can use chalk if you're choosing to use chalk. So once you have those pins in place, so we have the center of our bag and our 3-inch on either side, then you are going to take your strap, make sure it's not twisted. You're gonna lay the strap, the end of the strap should be at the bottom edge of where the top of your bag hem is. So it shouldn't be way up here, close to the very top of your bag, and it shouldn't be way down here. We want it to be lined up, nice and neat. Then make sure your strap isn't twisted, and you'll bring it over to where your pin is, and that's gonna be where the inside edge of your strap is, right there. Once you have that lined up, you are then gonna pin, I'll just pretend it's this one, pin the strap to the bag. So you can take that pin out, pin your strap. Make sure you're only pinning through one layer of the bag. Okay, so this is all set up on this side. Now you can flip your bag over, and you can just take your next strap and lay it right on top of where your strap is on the other side. Make sure it's not twisted. Same thing, matching up the edges here. Place 2 pins in, and then you are actually going to sew across the entire width of that strap to secure the strap. So you actually probably want to start through the bag, go into the strap, backstitch, and then go all the way across past the edge of the strap on this side and backstitch again. And then you might want to sew that at least 2 times just to secure the strap on each strap.